Imagine a creature so adept at teamwork, it outperforms the renowned wolf pack in hunting efficiency. Meet the African wild dogs, often referred to as painted wolves due to their striking mottled fur. These canines are not just any predators, they are master strategists of the animal kingdom. In the vast landscapes of Africa, where survival is a daily challenge, these wild dogs thrive by leveraging their extraordinary teamwork. Each member of the pack plays a specific role during the hunt, orchestrated like a well-rehearsed symphony. Their approach? A relentless pursuit that tests both their stamina and coordination. What truly sets them apart is their hunting success rate. While most large predators succeed in only about 10 to 30% of their hunts, African wild dogs boast a success rate of over 80%. This incredible efficiency is due to their ability to communicate subtly and coordinate their movements with precision. Now that's a team that would give any sports team a run for their money. Who needs a camouflage uniform when you can wear a coat of many colors? Indeed, the African wild dogs flaunt a striking, mottled coat that isn't just for show. Each pattern is as individual as the dogs themselves, varying wildly from one to another, making each dog distinctively recognizable among its pack. This dazzling array of tan, black, brown and white isn't merely aesthetic, it plays a crucial role in their survival strategy. In the wild, this pattern acts as disruptive coloration. It breaks up the outline of the dogs, making them less visible in the grassy woodlands and scrublands they roam. This confusion is vital during hunts, where stealth and surprise are key elements of their strategy. But there's more to these patterns than meets the eye. Researchers can identify and track individual dogs by their unique markings, which has been instrumental in studying and conserving these fascinating creatures. Nature's own artistry at work, each wild dog wears a coat as unique as a fingerprint. In the realm of the wild, not all decisions are made by the fittest or the strongest. Take, for example, the African wild dogs, whose decision-making process is intriguingly democratic. When it's time to decide whether to embark on a hunt, these canines engage in a unique method of consensus building: sneezing. Yes, you heard right, sneezing. This isn't your usual sniffle or response to a dusty day, but a deliberate act that plays a crucial role in their group dynamics. When a pack member proposes a hunt, it isn't sheer strength that dictates the next move, but rather the number of sneezes. The more sneezes that follow a proposal, the greater the likelihood that the pack will proceed with the plan. This method ensures that every member, regardless of age or strength, gets a say in vital decisions. It's a form of communication that underlines the importance of each voice, or in this case, each sneeze within the community. Even in the wild, every sneeze counts. In the harsh landscapes of Africa, it takes a village to raise a pup. This is especially true for the African wild dogs, where communal living isn't just a lifestyle, but a survival strategy. Unlike many other species, where care is primarily the mother's burden, wild dogs share this responsibility across the pack. Every adult, whether male or female, takes on the role of caretaker. They partake in what could be seen as an intricate dance of altruism. After a hunt, instead of eating their fill, these hunters return to their dens to regurgitate food for the pups. This ensures that even the youngest and weakest can thrive under the pack's watchful eyes. Protection is another communal effort. While some members rest or hunt, others stand guard, keeping a vigilant eye out for predators that might threaten the vulnerable young. This shared parenting approach not only increases the survival rates of the pups, but strengthens the social bonds within the pack. Every member of the pack becomes a devoted caretaker. Without WhatsApp or email, how do you suppose wild dogs keep in touch? Well, they have their own sophisticated language of survival that doesn't rely on modern technology. In the world of wild dogs, communication is a multifaceted art form, crucial for their survival and social structure. These canines utilize a rich tapestry of vocal calls to convey different messages. A high-pitched yelp might signal excitement, whereas a deep growl could warn of impending danger. But their communication extends beyond just sounds. body language plays a pivotal role as well. A subtle change in posture, a tilt of the head, or even the positioning of the tail can speak volumes about their intentions and emotions. Scent markings are another critical component of their communication arsenal. By leaving their scent in various places, wild dogs mark their territory, identify members of their pack, and even leave messages about their reproductive status. In the wild dog world, every bark, body twist, and scent has a story to tell. Surviving in today's world isn't just about hunting prowess or reproductive success. For African wild dogs, it's a continual battle against a barrage of environmental and human-imposed challenges. These remarkable creatures face threats like habitat fragmentation, which slices their roaming grounds into isolated patches, severing critical connections between populations. Human-wildlife conflict adds another layer of adversity. As human settlements expand into wild territories, encounters become more frequent and often detrimental for the wild dogs. These conflicts can lead to fatal retaliations against them, as they are sometimes perceived as threats to livestock. Moreover, diseases from domestic dogs, such as rabies and distemper, pose a significant risk. These illnesses can decimate wild dog packs, which are highly social and depend on each member for survival. Conservationists are intensely working to mitigate these threats through vaccination campaigns and by fostering coexistence strategies between local communities and wildlife. The race for survival is on, and it's not just the fittest, but also the most supported that will endure. Let's take a quick sprint back through the remarkable world of the wild dogs. Diving into the heart of their existence, we observe their efficient hunting strategies. Often underestimated, these canines coordinate with precision, showcasing teamwork that rivals any elite squad. Their success in hunts stems from a combination of speed, intelligence, and an uncanny ability to communicate through subtle cues. Visually, wild dogs stand out with a splash of color. Their mottled fur of yellows, blacks, and whites isn't just for show, it camouflages them perfectly in the dappled light of their woodland habitats. When it comes to making decisions, wild dogs vote with their feet, literally. This democratic approach ensures that every member has a say in group activities, particularly when deciding to hunt. Communal parenting then takes center stage, as every adult in the pack participates in caring for the pups, ensuring a high survival rate. Their sophisticated communication techniques and the pressing conservation challenges they face remind us of the delicate balance they maintain for survival. Indeed, the wild dogs of Africa are not just survivors. They are a testament to the intricate dance of nature's wild rhythms. As we close our journey into the lives of these fascinating creatures, let us take a moment to reflect on the vibrant threads that wild dogs weave into the vast tapestry of our natural world. Their unique behaviors, social structures, and roles within the ecosystem highlight the staggering intricacies of nature's design. Exploring the lives of wild dogs isn't just about admiring their resilience or beauty. It's about understanding the critical importance of every species in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. The survival of wild dogs is tightly linked to the health of the environments they inhabit, making their conservation an urgent and necessary endeavor. Take a step beyond mere appreciation and consider actively supporting conservation efforts. Whether through education, donations, or spreading the word, every action contributes to a larger movement towards preserving not just wild dogs, but the biodiversity that is vital for the planet's health. Remember, every creature has its role in the tapestry of life, and each thread is crucial to the whole. Thank you for joining us in exploring the amazing world of wild dogs.